Hi everyone, today we're going to read a Peppa Pig book from the Advent Calendar book collection. There's 24 books in this Christmas Advent Calendar. We've already read 13 of them. Today we're going to look for door number 14. Would you like to help? Now let's look for it. Do you see door number 14? I do. That was a quick one. There it is. Door number 14. You can see Peppa and George and everyone on the sleigh. Let's open that. What's the book about? Ooh. Today's book is about gardening. Can't wait to read this. It is a lovely sunny day. Peppa and George are visiting Granny and Grandpa Pig. Grandpa Pig is in his garden. What are you doing, Grandpa? Asks Peppa. I'm planting seeds, says Grandpa Pig. First, I make little holes, then I pop some seeds into them. After that, I cover the seeds with soil and water them, says Grandpa Pig. He picks up a watering can and sprinkles a little water on the patch. Everything in my garden grew from tiny seeds, says Grandpa Pig. Peppa points to the big apple tree. Even your apple tree? She asks. Grandpa Pig nods. Yes. Would you like to plant us this seed, Peppa? Asks Grandpa Pig. Yes, please, cries Peppa. You must be patient, says Grandpa Pig. Seeds can take a long time to grow. Peppa makes a little hole and drops the seed into it. She covers the seed with soil and pats it down. Peppa sprinkles water over the patch. I wonder what it's going to grow into, she says. You'll see, says Grandpa Pig, chuckling. Come and check on it next time you visit. When Peppa and George visit Grandpa Pig's garden again, they find something very special growing. Strawberries, gasps Peppa. Her seed has grown into a beautiful strawberry plant. Peppa and George pick 2 delicious strawberries and nibble them. Yum. Grandpa, can we plant something else? Asks Peppa. Please? Yes, says Grandpa Pig. Now it's George's turn. George knows exactly what he wants to grow. He digs a hole with his hands. Dig, dig, dig. George drops Mr. Dinosaur into the hole. Dinosaur plant, cries George. George, says Peppa, giggling. Dinosaurs don't grow on trees. The end. Hope you enjoyed that. That was a Peppa Pig book called Gardening from the Christmas Advent Calendar. Subscribe to my channel, press that button below and follow me. We'll find even more Peppa Pig books in my collection. So do follow now. Bye-bye.